And there we go. Hey everybody, it's Ryan Hoffman. Hope you guys are having a great day and are ready for an exciting weekend. It is getting good out there. If you're out there hunting, the market is starting to turn a little bit, meaning it's a lot easier right now for clients to get offers accepted and not have as much competition. So if you're going out there, keep an eye out for good deals and make some offers, because rates going up versus inventory slowing down, it all works out really good for your advantage. One thing that's new this week that you should consider is that more and more often nowadays we're getting new loan programs. Specifically, ones that we're getting are called renovation loans. So if you buy a house and it needs some upgrades, we can actually finance some of the cost of renovating the house, new kitchen, new bathrooms, new appliances, stuff like that. We may be able to wrap that in. Something we can talk about when you are in the process of making an offer. We'll go through those numbers as well. So just want to throw that out there. Depending on what you qualify for, this may or may not be an option that makes sense for you, but I wanted to bring it up. So if there's anything you need, give me a call. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Happy hunting, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. That's cute. That's cute. That is cute.